Anissa video column. And I have a super special guest with me. I'm going to let him introduce himself, but this is G-Man.
G-Man, also known as Gilberto Rodriguez, Fabián de los Santos, y todos los demás apellidos. Muñiz.
Wow, that was long.
And really, it's just Gilbert Muñiz. No other names.
And Gilbert is with Faithful Disaster Restoration here in Billings, Montana. We've been spending the week with him, and he was so gracious to agree to come on camera with me for this week's Ask Anissa, and he has a wonderful question.
So, prima, la pregunta que tengo para ustedes, si puedo utilizar esta esponja seca para limpiar quizás algunas fotografías, marcos, libros, revistas o quizás una muñeca de porcelana. ¿Qué sería lo más difícil de limpiar?
Oh my gosh. Gee, that was a super good question. I know there's a lot of you out there that are very happy he asked it. And really, G, it's just bien simple. Really. You just need two things. You need muchos ganos and esponja seca. So, and once you have those two things, you've got it. It really is not a difficult process. Now, these are the magical dry cleaning sponges that we have. And you can use it on all of those items. And the beautiful part is that this is what works on items that you were talking about just now, like the book and the porcelain doll. You can't, the pictures. You can't get those things wet. So this is why they call this. That's the dry cleaning sponge. And it not only cleans as you're using it, but it actually deodorizes. So yeah, it's really, really great. And it looks like a big eraser, gummy eraser kind of thing. But they're really wonderful. I like this size. There's different sizes because it fits in my hand, and then I can use it, and it's very easy to use. And when you use the esponja seca, you want to do it in like a straight across motion. Okay. You don't ever do this. We don't rub, and you don't want to go like at weird angles. You want to go either down or go from side to side. Okay? But this sponge, I promise you, will save your life, and you will be so happy that you use this in your restoration division. Did that answer your question?
It sure did. Muchas gracias.
Awesome. You're welcome.
De nada.
De nada. De nada. De nada, my friend.
Gracias.
Yeah. Well, hey, I hope you enjoyed this week's Ask Anissa video column. If you have a question for me, please be sure to send me an email, anissa@firehouse.education.com, and I just might feature you on next week's Ask Anissa video column. Hasta la próxima. With Faithful Cleaning. Okay. So disaster. That's why I stopped myself. He was. I'm totally gonna cut that out. It's spooky.
No, you got it out.
What language is that?
Say it again. Say it.
Esponja.
Esponja.
Yes.
Say it.
Esponja seca.
Esponja seca. Did I get it right?
Esponja? Haha.
Say it again.
Es bien simple. Two things. Muchos ganos. And esponja. Yeah, say it again.
Esponja
Esponja
seca.
seca. Wow, that's hard.
Add a ha. Add a ha. Just one.
Esponja.
It's kind of
No,
like,
it's just
yeah.
one.
It's one of it's spawn instead of spoon. It's spawn.
Espon. Esponja. Esponja. Seca. Espon. Espon. Esponja seca. Okay. All right.
I don't practice my Spanish up
So,
here
okay.
like I used to.
Try to say it fast and short. Esponja.
Yeah, I know. You guys talk so fast. It's unreal. It's crazy.
It's like they know Spanish.
Well, I talk fast.
Right? And maybe. Y quizás. And maybe.
Y quizás. What did I say?
Talk. You already speak Spanish.
I know.
No.
Too.
And
Y quizás
y quizás
te pueda poner. Te pueda.
I'm lost.
She's
De
not
What are we
pueda.
saying? So yeah, let's keep it short
Okay,
because
okay.
I'm
I'm
getting a
trying to
little
see the
lost.
song.
So I'm gonna say, and I just might feature you. How do I say
La
that?
próxima vez.
La próxima vez.
What?
Próxima vez.
That's it. I just said Ask Anissa video and it's
No,
posted on this.
no.
No, you wouldn't believe what you just said.
Don't be having me say something I shouldn't be saying.
I
No,
know.
no.
I'm
Tell you later
trusting
what
you.
she said.
No.
Well, that's right.
Okay, so I'll say, and I
You're
just
just
might
saying
feature
bye
you
till next
on
time.
next week's Ask Anissa column.
Can you
Estela.
speak English now?
I can't
Hasta,
speak.
Like
Now
say
you're-
hasta la vista.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
don't say that. You say hasta la próxima.
Hasta la próxima.
Sí.
Yeah.
That's it.
What did I say? Oh, you know the drill. Anissa at firehouseeducation.com. And I just might feature you. How do I say this week's Ask Anissa column in Spanish?
Pregúntale
Pregúntale
A
a
Anissa.
Anissa. Pregúntale a Anissa. Okay, so you know the drill. Send me that email, Anissa at firehouseeducation.com, and I just might feature you on next week's Ask Anissa video column. Say it again. Sorry.
Hasta la próxima.
Hasta la próxima.